Best tips on avoiding acid reflux symptoms. When you are suffering with acid reflux, it may seem like there is no help in sight. Thankfully, there are answers to your problems, and they can be found within this video. Many tips and tricks for placating your suffering are available below, so read on to find out more. Don't overeat. Only eat until you feel sated, your stomach stops growling and ends your hunger discomfort. If you become hungry again shortly after eating, drink a glass of water instead of having a snack. When you eat too much, your stomach has trouble digesting and you may find acid reflux rears its ugly head. Opt for lean meats and food that does not have a lot of fat in it. If you indulge in greasy foods, like French fries, you are more likely to suffer from acid reflux. Try tracking your food for a week and seeing what triggers your heartburn. Adjust your diet accordingly. Sip lightly during meals and be sure to drink a glass of water between each meal. This also helps you get rid of hunger pains. Additionally, if you drink separately from eating, you will find that you don't suffer from bloating and acid reflux as much. If you suffer with acid reflux, understand how gravity can work in your favor. Sitting upright will help keep food and fluids down after meals, so keep yourself straight. Avoid lying down or even slightly reclining in your favorite chair, as this will exacerbate reflux symptoms quickly. Try going for a short and healthy walk instead. Learn your trigger foods. When you know what foods or beverages cause you acid reflux, you can avoid them to keep your symptoms to a minimum. Some foods that often cause symptoms are foods that are fried, fatty, spicy, and carbonated drinks. These are just some examples, and what bothers someone else might not bother you. It is possible for you to choke in your sleep. This happens when stomach acid makes its way up into your throat. If you experience a bitter taste in your mouth, you may need acid-suppressing medicine. Speak with your doctor about the problems to get the best advice on how to proceed. If you have been experiencing symptoms of acid reflux, try to cut down on the amount of alcohol you drink. Having some drinks tends to relax the muscles in the stomach. When this happens, people start to experience worsening of these symptoms. If you must have a drink, make sure to limit yourself to 1 or 2 drinks. If you have acid reflux symptoms during the day and at night, gum might solve the problem. Chewing gum helps you produce more saliva. Saliva is a natural neutralizer of stomach acid. If you can, try chewing gum even through the night to try to decrease your level of discomfort through the night and into the morning. With all of this great information at hand, you should be ready to tackle your acid reflux. This means taking control of your life and telling the acid to stay where it belongs. Start today and look forward to a happier, healthier future thanks to putting your condition to rest. I cured my acid reflux. A lifelong sufferer discovers a powerful secret to heartburn freedom. To learn how I did it, visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to eliminate heartburn pain within 2 days? Doctors and drug companies hate this. Visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to learn about the only, clinically proven, step-by-step, acid reflux system? Visit heartburnhacks.com to learn this, and so much more. Link in the description.